Coding tutorials give all their knowledge away for free. Everyone shares their hard-won expertise at no charge. Yet this category's CPM sits at $20 to $30. If they're teaching for free, why does it pay so well? Today we look at the data behind that paradox, and how to break into coding content. The category, Developer Tutorials. Let's look at the data. CPM is $20 to $30 in both 2025 and 2026. RPM is $12 to $18 both years. Almost no change. That's the first defining trait of this category, it doesn't swing. Unlike finance categories, it neither spikes nor crashes, it's steady. Saturation stays medium 2 years running. Not a blue ocean, but not a red ocean either. Faceless gets a partial mark, it's screen recordings in code, so your face rarely appears, but your voice and teaching style become the channel's identity. Low volatility, stable structure, that's the key. Meet the benchmark channel. Fireship, 3.5 million subscribers overseas. Its weapon is speed. Series like LearnX in 100 seconds compress an entire technology into a hyperfast format. It's built from screen recordings, code, and rapid caption cuts, the face barely appears. Average views, 100K to 500K. The key is sponsors. Dev tools, cloud providers, and SaaS companies line up to advertise. Because developers are watching, a single ad can translate into a company-wide adoption. Now the Korean market. Nomad Coders, 700,000 subscribers. Their focus is clone coding and hands-on project courses. Average views, 50K to 200K. But this channel's real engine isn't ad revenue. They post free tutorials on YouTube to gather an audience, then funnel those viewers into their own paid course platform. YouTube is the entrance, the real revenue comes from course sales. This is the single most powerful weapon in the developer tutorial category, the video itself becomes a product sales funnel. 3 reasons CPM stays high even though the knowledge is free. First, the advertisers are B2B companies, cloud, dev tools, SaaS, bootcamps. A single customer can become a company-wide contract, so their ad budgets are large. Second, the viewers are developers. They have above-average income and, crucially, they decide which technologies their companies adopt. They're the most coveted audience an advertiser can reach. Third, the content is evergreen. Unlike trend videos that die in a day, it accumulates views through search for years. Retention is high too. To follow along with the code, you have to watch to the end. These 3 forces hold the CPM steady. Here's the entry strategy. First, narrow your stack. Not programming but React in practice, deploying Next.js, building AI agents, drill into one specific technology. The narrower you go, the more you win in search. Second, design the product funnel from day one. On ad revenue alone, this category is just average. The real money comes from paid courses, templates, memberships, and code sales. The video is the entrance. Third, ride new tech trends. When a new framework or AI tool launches, the channel that posts the first tutorial dominates search. But the downsides are clear, you need genuine coding skill, and when the tech changes, your videos need updating. That barrier to entry is also the moat that keeps competitors out. Final verdict. Developer tutorials earn AB+. A CPM of $20 to $30 isn't top tier, but its strength is stability, rock steady across 2 years. The content is evergreen, so videos compound into assets, and above all, the funnel that extends beyond ads into paid courses and products is the real weapon. The downsides are clear, you need genuine coding skill to enter, and you must update constantly as the tech evolves. Put another way, for someone with real dev ability, few categories turn the barrier to entry into a protective moat quite like this one. If you can write code, this one comes highly recommended.